the afternoon session. This is me, Chaitra, reporting from Live Tips, where your money is our advice. To know more about the market, let's have an interaction with our experts. Welcome back, viewers. To know more about the equity market, we have with us Mohan. Welcome, Mohan.
Thank you, Chitra.
So, Mohan, how is the Nifty performing today?
Yeah, Nifty, as we expected in the morning, seeing the SGX, it was a flat kind of opening, but we saw the momentum which is continued from past 6 to 7 days, and today is the 7th day. It is rallied more than it's in overbought zone, and it is above our key levels. We are seeing some more up move as we see that, but not much. We can expect some profit booking since past 7 days it has moved. Even today it is morning, as you saw that the morning opened the 7-10 points, then again sharply move up to 58540 and 5870 levels, near 5865 levels. So from there some bit of profit booking came, but again it is sustaining above 5850, near 5850 levels. So that's a key important level.
Okay, Mohan, ONGC and Reliance did very well today.
Yeah.
So, do you think this positive trend will continue throughout the day?
Yeah. As I said yesterday, also we said on oil sector, especially ONGC and Reliance. Reliance performed well. It's above 1000 level, and now ONGC also moved more than 3% and add. So that shows some oil sector buying happening in this. So you can see some further move on this, but in ONGC we may see some profit booking come in the later session. So Reliance still trend will up in that.
Okay, thank you, Mohan. Stay tuned, viewers. We have more coming up on the other side of this break. Welcome back, viewers. To have a brief view into the commodity market, we have with us Navneet. Welcome to Live Tips.
Thank you.
So Navneet, how's the global market performing today?
Yeah. First, we'll have a look at various factors that is affecting the commodity prices, whether it is supporting or whether it is acting against the prices. Base metals got some support coming in during the Asian trading session thanks to the speculation that China may not be increasing the interest rates. We have seen the inflation rate going to 3.5% as against a deposit rate of 2.25%. So this, if the China is not going to increase interest rate, then we may see some flow from the risk-free assets to riskier assets like commodities. So that will be supporting the base metals and crude oil prices. Property rate concerns are still moving over the market. In case of China, the property rates are hitting new highs every day, and that is a major concern for the market. And this concern was addressed by Chinese Premier also during his yesterday's address on the market. Gold prices have reached a record level of $1,274.95 in yesterday's trading session, and silver its highest level since March 2008 levels. Basically, the uncertainty that is coming in from the European markets and US market is propelling gold and silver prices, and some buying is seen in bullions. Uncertainty in the global economic recovery is still fueling buying interest in bullions as a hedge. Mainly, most of the funds try to diversify their investment into bullions once an uncertainty comes into the economic fund. Speculation that Fed may purchase $1 trillion worth of debt to support economic growth is also supporting the bullion prices. A decline in German consumer confidence and disappointing Eurozone industrial production data is also supporting bullion prices. So mainly all these factors are actually supporting the base metal rather than the bullion prices rather than the base metal crude oil prices.
Okay, Navneet, European economic data is due to release in a short while.
Yeah.
So what is expected from this data release?
Yeah. Today actually we are expecting major inflation data to come in from Eurozone area. We are expecting Eurozone inflation, export and energy prices to come in, and that is forecasted to come in at 0.2%. Previous value is minus 0.4%. That should be somewhat encouraging for the market because the consumption indicates that the consumption of the economy is increasing. So mainly this data will be keenly watched by market. And also the Eurozone inflation, export and energy for a year-on-year basis was expected, that is expected to increase by 0.9% as against the value 1% previous value. Eurozone inflation finally is forecasted to come in at 0.2% as against a minus 0.3%. This is also a very positive factor because it will actually increase the consumption that is going in the base metals and crude oil. So this will be supporting for crude and base metal prices if it is coming in an expected line or above that level.
Thank you for that information, Navneet. Stay tuned, viewers. We have more coming up on the currency market. Don't go away. Welcome back, viewers. To know more about the currency market, we have with us now Vivek. Welcome to Live Tips, Vivek.
Good afternoon.
So Vivek, throw some light on the fundamental and technical aspects of the international and domestic market, currency market.
Well, after Japan appreciated at the level of 82.30 level and came down at the point of 81.5 level. So after it made a strong appreciation by the Japan yen at the level of 81.5 level, which is 15 years high. So after that, the government of Japan intervened in the foreign exchange market for the first time since 2004. After the surge of the yen to the strongest against the dollar in the 15 years, threatening to the stern in the nation economy recovery. The finance minister told that the reporters in the Tokyo that the move of unilateral means it will move upside. So their intervention was there. So chief cabinet secretary also said that seems to be think of 82 yen per dollar to be a line defensive one. After reaching 82.88 earlier, today the government of the official speaks to the condition what they have to do for the yen appreciation. Coming to the domestic market, Euro USD was USD INR was made a uptrend level which was 46.45 level. So I do see some upward level when the Euro INR has reached the level of, which is gap up opening at the level of 60.25 level. So I do see some bearish trend means coming downside means profit booking might come so overall market is flat only. So investor those who are trading at this level point on they should be a more cautious level till the European market some data will be released for that time.
Thank you for the information, Vivek.
Okay.
Stay tuned, viewers. This is all for the afternoon session. We have post-market session coming up with Pratik Radar.